I was using Interactio in this great event in Prague. Basically, it's really comfortable application because I was getting the English translation in my smartphone. And I saw that they are also offering translation in other languages.
I have never come across such a system which is so advanced in many ways. It's remote interpreting where the interpreter is elsewhere, not present at the venue.
It's very easy to, switch between the conference interpreting amongst the interpreters.
The client has decided to use it instead of the old technique. Now the client is very surprised about the good quality and the easy handling, and me from a side of a production manager, I'm quite happy to have you quite cool and relaxed guys on my side during such hard production times with the convention center. I definitely will use you in the future, and looking further to next projects.